Stop. Do you know how to order coffee in English like a real person?
I didn't know what to say. I was scared to speak English.
But in just a few minutes, you will learn everything step by step. Can I have a latte, please? For here or to go? Anything else? That's all, thank you. If you are a beginner English learner, this video will help you speak real English in real situations.
I was nervous, but I did it.
Watch till the end and practice with us. You will improve your English speaking fast. Hey, Jonah. Good morning.
Good morning, Elena.
You look tired. Are you okay?
I'm okay, but I feel very sleepy today.
Very sleepy? How many hours did you sleep?
Maybe 4 hours.
4 hours? That's not enough.
I know. I watched videos too late.
That's why you need coffee.
Yes, I really need coffee today. A big coffee.
A big coffee? Are you sure?
Yes, or maybe medium? I don't know.
Don't worry. We'll decide inside.
Elena, can I ask you something?
Of course.
I feel a little nervous.
Nervous? Why?
Because I want to order in English, but I'm not confident.
That's okay. Today is practice day.
Practice day. Okay.
I will help you. You are not alone.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Good. So, are you ready?
Yes, I think I'm ready.
Great. Let's go get your coffee.
Let's go.
Welcome to the bean scene.
Don't worry, Jonah. Their coffee is amazing. I recommend the caramel swirl.
Okay, maybe just a small black coffee then.
Good morning. Welcome.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
We're good. Thank you.
Yes, I'm good. Just a little sleepy.
No problem. Coffee will help you.
I hope so.
Let's look at the menu first.
Okay, wow. There are so many drinks.
Yes, there are many choices.
Coffee, tea, cold drinks, hot drinks.
Don't worry. We will choose slowly.
Yes, slowly is good. I need time.
Take your time. No rush.
Thank you. I feel better when you say that. Elena, what is a latte?
A latte is coffee with milk.
Coffee with milk. Okay.
Yes, it's soft and smooth.
I like that. Latte. Latte. Cappuccino. Espresso. What is espresso?
Espresso is very strong coffee.
Very strong?
Yes, very strong and a little bitter.
Oh, I don't want strong coffee.
Then espresso is not good for you.
What about cappuccino?
Cappuccino has milk too, but also foam on top.
Foam? Like bubbles?
Yes, like soft bubbles.
Interesting. I think I want something easy.
Then latte is perfect. Latte.
Latte.
Good.
Latte. Latte. Latte.
Yes, practice.
I think I will choose a latte.
Good choice. Very popular and beginner friendly.
Beginner friendly. I like that. Elena, I have another question.
Yes?
What size should I get?
You can choose small, medium, or large.
Small, medium, large. Small, medium, large.
Good. Say it again.
Small, medium, large.
Perfect.
What do you usually get?
I usually get a small or medium.
Why not large?
Large is too much for me.
I feel very sleepy. So maybe large?
Maybe, but large is very big.
Very big?
Yes, very big.
Then maybe medium is better.
Medium is a good choice. Not too big, not too small.
Not too big, not too small. Perfect. Okay, I will say medium latte.
Yes, that's great.
Medium latte. Medium latte.
You're ready. Now, let's practice your full sentence.
Okay, I'm a little nervous.
That's okay. Practice makes perfect. Say, "Can I have a medium latte, please?"
Can I have a medium latte, please?
Very good. Again.
Can I have a medium latte, please?
Perfect.
Can I say, I want a medium latte?
You can, but "can I have" is more polite.
More polite. Okay, I want to be polite.
Good. Try again.
Can I have a medium latte, please?
Excellent.
What if I forget?
That's okay. You can try again.
What if I make a mistake?
That's okay too. Everyone makes mistakes.
I think I will make many mistakes.
That's how you learn.
Okay, one more time.
Yes, one more time.
Can I have a medium latte, please?
Perfect. You're ready now.
Okay, I'm ready. I think.
You can do it.
Okay, let's go to the counter. Slowly.
Yes, slowly is fine.
Hi there. Good morning. What can I get for you?
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. Take your time.
What do I say?
Say your sentence. You practiced it.
Okay. Can I have a medium latte, please?
Of course, a medium latte.
Yes, a medium latte.
Great choice.
Thank you.
Anything else?
Sorry?
Anything else? Do you want something more?
Oh, no, that's all. Thank you.
No problem.
I did it.
You did it. That was great.
My heart is beating so fast.
That's normal.
And for you?
I'll have a small cappuccino, please.
Sure, a small cappuccino.
Yes, that's right. Thank you.
You speak so fast.
It comes with practice.
You said, I'll have.
Yes, it means I will have.
Oh, I'll have.
You can use both. Can I have? I'll have.
Okay, I like, can I have?
That's perfect for beginners.
Next time, maybe I say, I'll have.
Yes, step by step.
Elena, I want sugar.
Okay, ask the barista.
Again?
Yes, more practice.
Okay, I try.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Can I have some sugar, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I did it again.
Yes, very polite too.
Can I say, I want sugar?
You can, but "can I have" is better.
More polite again?
Yes, always more polite.
Okay, I like polite English.
For here or to go?
Sorry.
For here or to go?
Drink here or take away.
Oh, for here, please.
Great.
That was difficult.
Yes, but now you understand.
For here or to go?
Say it again.
For here or to go?
Perfect.
Next time, I will understand faster.
Yes, you will.
Your total is $5.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Elena, is it finished?
Yes, now we wait for our drinks.
Oh, okay. I ordered. I asked for sugar. I answered the question.
Yes, you did everything.
I feel like a different person.
That's confidence.
My English is not perfect,
It doesn't need to be perfect.
but I can communicate.
Exactly, that's the goal.
I'm happy.
I'm proud of you.
So, now we wait, right?
Yes, now we wait for our drinks.
Waiting is easy. No English needed.
Yes, but we can still practice.
Okay, what can we say?
You can talk about the cafe.
Okay. This cafe is nice.
Good. Say more.
This cafe is nice and clean.
Yes, very good.
It smells good too.
Yes, it smells like coffee.
I like the smell of coffee.
Me too. It's relaxing.
Relaxing. Yes, I feel more awake now.
See? Coffee already helps.
Maybe it's the smell, not the coffee yet.
Maybe.
Medium latte for Jonah.
Did they say my name?
Yes, they said Jonah. That's you.
Oh, okay.
Jonah?
Yes, that's me. That's me.
Go, go.
Okay. Hi. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is my latte?
Yes, medium latte.
Medium latte? Yes, thank you very much.
Enjoy your drink.
Thank you. I will enjoy it. Elena, look, my name is on the cup.
Yes, that's common in coffee shops.
Wow, that's cool. I like it.
How is it?
It's good. No, it's very good.
Very good.
Yes, very good.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it. I really like it.
That's great.
It's my first time ordering in English and drinking this latte.
Double success.
Yes, double success. Oh, it's hot.
Of course it's hot. It's hot coffee.
I forgot it's hot.
Be careful. Drink slowly.
Yes, slowly. I will wait a little.
Good idea.
Waiting again. I'm good at waiting today.
Yes, you are.
I think I want more sugar.
Okay, add some sugar.
How many spoons? 1 or 2?
Try one first.
Okay, 1 spoon. Okay, mix.
Good English.
I'm talking to my coffee.
That's okay. Practice everywhere.
Okay, now I try again. Oh, much better.
Good.
Now it's perfect. But
What's wrong?
it's still a little strong.
A little strong?
Yes, a little strong for me.
You can ask for more milk.
Really? Is that okay?
Yes, it's normal.
I can ask again?
Yes, more practice.
Okay, practice again. Excuse me,
Yes,
can I have more milk, please?
of course.
Thank you very much.
No problem at all. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I did it again.
Yes, and very smooth.
I feel more comfortable now.
You did amazing today.
Thank you. Really.
At first, you were nervous.
Yes, very nervous.
And now,
Now I feel confident.
that's a big change.
I spoke English. I asked questions. I understood.
Yes.
I made small mistakes.
And that's okay.
Yes, mistakes help me learn.
Exactly.
I'm proud of myself.
You should be proud.
That was fun.
Yes, it was fun and useful.
I want to come again.
We can come again tomorrow.
Maybe not tomorrow, but soon.
Next time, you order alone.
Alone?
Yes, alone.
Okay, I will try.
I believe in you.
Next time, I will say everything by myself.
That's the spirit.
Let's go! Coffee Master!
Yes, Coffee Master Jonah.
I did it! I ordered in English!
Yes, you spoke real English in a real situation. Now it's your turn. If you watched this video, don't just watch, practice. Say this out loud with us. Can I have a medium latte, please? For here or to go? That's all, thank you. Write in the comments, I can order coffee in English, or tell us, what drink do you want to order?
I was nervous at first, but I learned step by step.
You can do it too. Just practice a little every day. If you want more real-life English conversations like this, subscribe now and join us on the next episode.